Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Streamlabs desktop is installed and signed in. That gives you access to the alert system. Open the scene where alerts should appear because placement matters for visibility. Next, add a browser source and name it Alerts so you can target it later. Set width and height to match output resolution. Once done, keep the browser source selected. You'll paste a URL into it in the next step, which is the first actionable move. Now you move into Streamlabs dashboard and open Alert Box to configure events such as follows, donations, and subscriptions. This is where you adjust duration, layout, and media so alerts match your brand. Copy the provided widget URL. That URL is the live alert feed. Back in Streamlabs desktop, paste the URL into the alert's browser source URL field and confirm. Make sure Shutdown Source when not visible is disabled so alerts trigger reliably. Otherwise, you'll miss events. Finish by testing each event using the test buttons in the Alert Box dashboard. This confirms visuals and audio are working. Once tests pass, fine-tune position, scale, and layering so alerts do not block chat or gameplay, and set hotkeys if needed. If alerts do not appear, first recheck the widget URL in your browser source and ensure no firewall or ad blocker is blocking it. Also verify browser source settings and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.